Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am reviewing something super exciting for you, and mainly if you are a content creator, a podcaster, a singer, and anyone else who's serious with their voices. So, today I will be talking about something new that is already changing the game, an amazing tool called Vocal Vibes AI. Stay tuned because by the end of the video you'll be like, I have to add this into my workflow now. Vocal Vibes AI is an artificial intelligence tool designed for you to increase your quality of voice in ways you never believed was possible. Whether it's cleaning up your voice or enhancing it or even changing it completely, it is there for you. And what's the good news? It is extremely easy to use. But I won't be telling you about it. Instead, let's give you a demonstration, so you see whether it really is that amazing. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the interface. When you open up Vocal Vibes AI, you greet a very clean and simple dashboard. You can instantly upload your voice recording or plug in your microphone for live editing. No complicated settings, no big menus, just plug and play. It's super intuitive. When your voice recording has been uploaded, the magic takes place. Vocal Vibes AI uses advanced algorithms of AI to analyze your voice and automatically removes background noise, corrects pitch, and adjusts EQ for a balanced sound. You can even use the pre-computed presets based on your type of voice or depending on specific needs. There are preset podcast mode, radio announcer, vocal warmth, and even singing enhancement mode. It is like you have a professional at hand that fine-tunes your sound every time you feel like it. Check it out. On the left-hand side is my raw, untreated audio, pretty flat, right? And on the right side is the same audio mixed through Vocal Vibes AI. The difference is night and day. My voice sounds clearer, fuller, and just overall more professional. Now if you are a singer, you'll love this next feature. Vocal Vibes AI was not just engineered to smooth the spoken voice but even intended for singers. You will have it adjusted to correct subtle pitch mistakes, soften your dynamics, and a glimpse of warmth or reverb. It's as if you have top-of-the-line studio equipment minus the high-cost hardware. Check this out. I'm going to sing a little melody, and then I'm going to apply the singing enhancements from Vocal Vibes AI. So, here's the raw recording, and here's the enhanced version. Wow! Do you hear that? It's like a professional mastering engineer went through it. This is really great for people who record music at home or those who don't have access to an expensive studio. And here's one of my favorite things. Once you're done editing, you can export your project and instantly share it to your platforms, YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, you name it. It's an all-in-one tool that saves so much time. So, let's just quickly summarize why Vocal Vibes AI is a must-have. Automatic noise cancellation, pitch correction, and EQ adjustments. Several presets for multiple voice types and scenarios. Live input monitoring and real-time editing. Ideal for singers, podcasters, and many more content creators. Share with one click between platforms. This is not just limited to the professionals. Beginners can make use of this as well to sound like a professional. Now here's the best part. You don't have to sit through hours using complicated audio editing software. Vocal Vibes AI does the heavy lifting for you, saving you time to make your voice sound its absolute best, whether recording a podcast, streaming, or laying some tracks down. So, if you really are interested in bringing the audio quality up a notch, then I really want to suggest you give this Vocal Vibes AI a shot. You can download it at the link in the description below, and there is an even free trial period, so no risk involved on your side. Promise, after trying it, you cannot go back. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips. Drop a comment if you have tried Vocal Vibes AI, I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, keep creating and keep those vibes alive.